mio chilo aerei.
No,
Bello,
concettualmente è una
no.
potenza.
Non so, forse se ti fai la campagna, sai che fai tutte, sai, attacchi a terra, magari, no? Le
Oh,
navi.
per perdere un po' di tempo.
Ci a perdere un pochino di tempo, sì, sicuramente. Che ne pensi?
Però chi doveva macchina resti, non esistono.
No, che le macchine è bello, non disinstallare.
È
Adesso
bello.
magari canota ogni 1100 anni più svagati, se ci fai
Guarda,
una
ma fa la
partita,
partita.
è immediato, capito? È immediato.
Chi se ci vuole?
È divertimento subito, va, senza troppo scassamenti di
Bravo.
minchia. Minchia di squadrone a Stephen Curry, cioè. Stephen Curry, Clay Thompson, LeBron James, Zion Williamson e
Che mi
Shaquille
scaricare
O'Neal.
magari un basket.
Ma se ti piace che dire basket, devi stoccare che state letto più di un anno di seguito, 2 anni di seguito, miglior gioco sportivo di tutti i tempi, vai. Se ti piace, scaricatelo perché è fatto bene, pari FIFA, va.
Non me la tiro più grande.
Vabbè, dopo ci spendere un po' di tempo, magari.
È giusto così.
Contratto scalute, che cazzo è contratto scalute?
Poi giocatura non è che conosce tutti come pallone.
Vabbè, ma c'ho magari io... Marco, qua almeno un 60% dei giocatori che ieri non hai visto mai nella vita mia. E lo seguo, a parte un gioco.
Se tu 60% figurati io.
Cioè, che di storici, e qualcuno che di nuovo, che di più famosi, stop. Ma cazzo che è questa merda, Dio
Poi che
Cristo.
stanno non ne ha una pari anno non lo seguo. Mi dico sta partita, vabbè, chi di storici, chi di più forte, chi si bravo. Quando mi scarica argomenti mi dice che è cognosi.
Oh, Madden si è scaricativo che ci giocavo. La squadra è pronta. Quella di Vincenzo è giocata. Vai che cresceranno la squadra. Vai. Oh Dio Cristo. Vai.
Tutti i Champions, quando hanno partito ma mancano.
Figa. No,
Per
cosa
14
cazzo
kg.
faccio? Ma sogno scemo.
Già dice partite ma mancano.
Cioè, sta giocando in NBA, piglia e faccio parte da un altro gioco.
Bello, la cosa
Ai
è
ai.
giusta.
Ah, per staccare non download, invece gioco partito. Bastardi attorno. Oh, madre nervoso, un pugno eccetera.
Si roga.
Ma pronto per giocare. Abbia che mi ha dato la sconfitta. Sicuro che mi ha dato la
Vabbè,
sconfitta, tutta
mi sta fanno tipo Rivals per qualificare te.
no, su con te, c'ho partite vince. Ci stai già in Lega. Però ogni volta i requisiti per c'è una Lega sono sempre ci sai, se.
Ah, tipo il
La
Rivals,
prima volta
ok,
passa
ok.
con 2 partite, una Curic, la seconda volta con 3 partite, una Curic, e visto passo.
È molto FIFA, no? Come impostazione, cose uscissime.
Un FIFA con basket, in pare.
Beh, è la stessa cosa con Madden, no?
Beh sì, l'impostazione alla fine che è bene.
Chi se figli di puttana se stanno fanno i miliardi,
Questo
cosa
cazzo di foot, sì, ha voglia.
ma se facciamo la squadra per scaramanzia.
Bellissimo però,
Questo
vai.
italiano, se
A
la
più
squadra per
forza.
scaramanzia.
Pescaramanzia, vai, bellissimo.
E lo sai quando non trovi a essere indomatici. Sta arretrato.
Sì, ne ho giocato un sacco, che magari a passa con un quarto già ci stai vincendo la partita. Ma manco che già passare, che c'è punti per dire, vedi ne stacco, ne scemo.
Quittono, ma se sta vincendo è buono.
Sì, però non posso raggiungere l'obiettivo per le carte evoluzione, che so, c'ho 20 punti in una partita, che domani stacca al secondo quarto. Ma mai fai 20 punti con Sciaconi in una partita, per dire. Chi è visto? No, non lo posso fare, ma che visto.
Ah, è che
Forse la sconfitta mi adesso, sai.
Poi 3 alzi.
Record Lega 0-1, se la sconfitta mi adesso. Porco
Vai,
Dio.
scusa, mi stavo dicendo come parla là.
Ah, sconfitta mi ha dato. Ma chi ha perso i contratti? Ma chi ha del danno?
Vabbè, ora questi contratti non avrai.
Puttana di Maria Vergine. Porco Dio, contratti che puttana di Maria Vergine. Finì i contratti, Dio cane.
Ma fatto a finire i contratti.
Finì.
Un pacchetto ora non gioco. Abdu King.
No, questo concetto cangia secondo i giocatori, ok.
Aspetta. C'è il giocatore argento un cazzo, c'è il giocatore oro raro. Tutti questi spandarini. Mamma mia, lo fa, no ma lui usa che cazzo di fa. No, quello non so. E quando danno a fare per l'esultanza tutta.
Che devo fare ogni tanto un pollo. Io sempre facevo pollo.
Ma Richarlison non fa, per esempio, una realtà.
Passiamo. Gustoso, vediamo. Bowling Legend, un squadrone per figli puttana. Mohamed Bamba.
Sì, ma...
Kobe Bryant. Ma bella squadra, Iave.
Bello gol c'è fisso, magari che è una bella squadra, certe volte a full split.
Vabbè, un totale non è tanto scegliato come mio. Io e gli squadre 80 e 84. In difesa ci ho fatto assai. Oh, andando scaricativo, tanto è gratis. E lo provi.
Prova 1, abbiamo 1-0, prova 1. Sì, ma non è più che 21, giusto?
Oh, 21. Che cazzo?
Si ma più che
Cioè, non devo scaricare che dura EA, che fa schifo. Vabbè che non gioco 21, che dura EA. Che fanno questo? Ma chi sta regolando di tutto e di più, sta regolando chi do.
Vegas.
Io 1, ma non era UK. Non era EA.
No, tu che Sport.
Ah, certo, UK. E come era questa modalità rara io che l'EA?
Vabbè, ha copiato, diciamo.
Ha copiato?
Beh, certo. Ci ha messo qualcosa di suo. Ha copiato essenzialmente.
Invece no, c'è che
no, non da fare guardare attorno, porco bambini gira. Sì, questo è un cecchino, mi pare. Questo è un cecchino.
Giochino alla corte.
Uè, è un gioacchino.
È un cecchino alla corte.
Ma Shaqiri schiacciava.
That's the kind of passing you want there. Work the ball around, keep it moving, try to get an assist.
Lascia chi
on
là,
every
no
bucket.
pacchetto.
Un pacchetto iniziale, se ti fa scegliere una leggenda, tipo, no?
Ah, l'avrai in prestito.
No, mio. Parte evoluzione, lo posso fare crescere. Oh, che tiro, i tre, mamma mia, Thompson, proprio lui.
Yeah, this is
È messo che fa aggiustamento, cosa, ogni pezzo di mette pausa e cancia cose. Ecco, fai scandare, Maria, che si sente.
Ah, pareggiamo,
what the offense is designed to do. Get a guy like Klay Thompson in the situations where he's got great confidence to come through.
No, solo.
Here's Bonga.
Non c'è. Oh, ma non ne sbaglia una, non sbaglio, Maria pressing a tutto campo a inizio partita, ma dai, ma io come, non pare. Ma sì, serio?
No, mi sono sciuttato il giocatore.
And when you
Porca di
look at
quelli.
Steph's size and the amount of time he spends on the perimeter, there's no way he should be cleaning the glass like that. But you can't teach heart and you can't teach instinct, and he has both.
Stephen Curry hits them both.
Well, when he gets into a groove at the free throw line, it doesn't just last for tonight. This might be 2 weeks, 2 months, something like that.
Now here's Kobe. Isaac outside.
No, sta da esce. Oh, ma non manca uno in gym, pare.
Isaac's
Ma
got
c'è
9
qualcosa che non
points.
manca, ma è
They're
impossibile.
not gonna play a
sì,
perfect
Ah,
game,
fa
but
tira,
so
Cristo,
far,
non
they
è-
are 5
ma
of
veramente,
5,
ma Zion
and
da
the D
3.
has to be concerned.
Ah, ma Zion, poi il gym sta deludendo, non pare, ma perché?
Well, the D doesn't seem
Ah,
to be
stop,
Scusa,
perché,
from
porco
three-point
Dio.
range,
Ora
and
come
he
è
shows
fatto
us why
un'azione,
still.
problema a
I
tutti.
expect him to make one of those.
Il portiere ci tiro giummato a porta
Beautiful
libera.
transition offense
Il
there.
taglio
That's
difensore nella
execution
faccia,
at
nella
its
linea,
best.
nella testa ci
Yeah,
andavo
once you burst through a
come
seam like that, you gotta look right towards the rim. Sweet play.
Now here's James.
Ah, porco Dio, ma si può perdere una palla d'azione, Dio
And it's
cane.
Shaquille O'Neal with the foul.
Ora manco la
That is his
discoteca fanno
first
questo.
foul of the game.
Ah no!
Las Vegas leading by 8.
Oh, risoremo cagando in gloria.
Non c'è. Un rampazzo, porchi. No, io di nervoso.
Outside, Kobe.
Che diavolo. Leo.
And
Ma
foul
come
on the
farlo?
shot. He'll
Ah,
shoot
come
two
farlo,
at the
porchi
free throw
Dio.
line.
Come farlo?
It's on Carl Landry.
Questo cazzo di allenatori di merda, ma perché mi cangia i giocatori di sta maniera? Ma cangia. Puttane Maria.
Ma
Porco
ha
Dio.
cangiato tu giocatore.
Ma c'è di mesi un monotaggio, e sostituzione auto, manuale, auto,
Ehi.
però da conto monotaggio, porchi
The first
Gesù,
one falls.
porco.
And so he makes both from the line.
No, perché sta lì, se ci fa
About 3
un
minutes
mozzo
gone
ti
here in the
sostituisce
first
a minchia, non ha mai il computer, no.
The drive by Vucevic. Can they get it?
E sta a fare i canti da
Misses the
me,
layup.
come
He had him with
suggerisce
that
qua
bump
a CPU.
And here's Las Vegas. It's a 10-point game. Now Porter.
Raga, non c'è.
Landry grabs the miss. Just under 3.5 minutes gone here in the first quarter.
Ma raga, siamo sole.
Here's Cook.
Vai Cook. Vai Cook.
Well, if you're open, Patrick
No,
Beverly
this-
is going to do his best to get you the ball.
Isaac outside.
Non c'è.
Va-
Ah, se
vattela
siamo
di
carichissimo, ma
cagare.
che bene, va, allora.
Here is Cook.
Raga, ti fai a tutti, ti fai. Ma come cazzo tu? Che fai stai di Gesù?
That'll be his second foul of the game.
Cazzo su mo.
vuol dire che la
Las
devi
Vegas
perdere
leading
questo.
by 8. And they go
L'arbitro, l'allenatore che non capisce un cazzo, gli accangiare per subito, sto cazzo di allenatore di merda. Scegli cambia. Ma certo che cangiare.
Il perro vecchio mo cambia. Oh, cazzo.
No, che annullare. Cioè, conferma.
For the intentional foul.
Really no idea why you're fouling in a situation like that. You know, maybe there's some bad blood between those two.
And he makes both free throws.
Che cazzo facciamo a fare dai morto ora?
And the home team has possession.
Ma
Trailing by
perché?
10.
Dai, va. Ciao wow, ciao wow.
Pass to Shaq.
No, porco di
Isaac with
Dio.
the steal. Pushing it up. And finished off by Porter.
Allora quando ti farai la Weekend
Excellent
League.
all-around performance so far.
Ah, che sto Cassano, con pressing a tutto campo sin
If I was making up a
dall'inizio.
lead, I'd add two ingredients. One would be playing smart, the other one playing selfless. They've done that tonight. Serve it up.
Vai.
Here's
Ah,
Shaq.
ci andava! Ci
Oh,
scassolo!
but he falls for another
Bellissimo.
point at the free throw line.
Devastante, Nico.
It goes on Mohamed Bamba.
Yeah, some situational awareness.
Allora,
there from
Mohamed
Klay
Bamba.
Thompson. He understands the offense. He understands where the cutters are, and he finds one.
And so it's Bonga who brings up the ball for Las Vegas.
No, no, non c'è. Migna, non ne sbaglia mai. Con Kiss non ne sbaglia mai.
Isaac's got 11 points.
Questa non la sbagli mai.
Well, he doesn't look satisfied with the lead right now. He wants more, and he looks like he's going to get it.
LeBron outside. Up top, Curry. Pass to O'Neal.
Non modo di stoppata che scippava Nico.
Bamba with the block.
The main weapon in Bamba's attack, the slender long arms he possesses, helps him block
Oh, ma fice!
of shots.
C'è! C'è o non c'è? Non morese. Porco dai, va.
Sciuai.
8 seconds left in the first quarter of the game.
Ah.
Bryant has the open look. And so it's Las Vegas. Their lead at 11 points to end the quarter. The one goal they had coming into this game was to not let Curry beat them. And
Porco di quella puttana bastarda.
And if you're just tuning in, we've got a wide margin on the scoreboard, but plenty of time left for a comeback. And from what
Ma
we've
si può
seen from
giocare
Las
con
Vegas so far,
pressing a tutto campo con il primo minuto, va, è vergognoso.
From the tip,
È vergognoso.
Le volte stanno a stare giocatore.
Well, just taking it right at the opposition.
Passaci,
and the other team right
ok.
now, no answers,
Ah, porco
no
Dio.
way to slow him down.
And they're running. And the dunk by Kobe.
Oh, and the lead gets bigger on a ridiculous offensive sequence.
That dunk alone would have been spectacular. Never mind it coming at the end of an alley-oop. Thompson
Ah, va, Thompson, che cazzo di
that one
mucche.
off the back
Porco
iron and out.
Dio.
Near the three-point line, it's Porter. Again,
Non ha
Las
sbaglio,
Vegas
non ha sbaglia uno, è pazzesco,
Yeah, the
pare.
chemistry has been
Non
terrific.
sbaglia
Really
una.
impressed with their offensive execution.
And Kevin Porter Jr., all the issues you'd
A
expect
me
from
me
a
riesce.
rookie, Greg.
va-
Unforced errors, a few too many fouls and turnovers.
Ah, sto, ma che
But
di
you and I
stoppata
were
che
talking,
Nico.
as the coaches told us,
Morao.
the upside is huge.
I tell you, Kev, his first step with the ball
Non
is
sbaglia,
just
Diego, pare.
incredible. Can
Troppo-
burst by
troppo forte.
defenders like they're waiting.
E dai magari mette un giocatore forte.
Non sbaglia.
A
Asci,
prescindere.
oh, asci, 20 punti già mi ha lasciato il secondo quarto. E Diego.
But you don't get saved. That mojo screaming, oh, behave. You been there, you took that break. I get sleep when I stay up late. Same old for the most part. Ain't changed for the most part. Really can't complain for the most part. I be giving game for the most part. Lights, camera with the action. Hey, before you rip the plastic, man. Watch you hustle backwards, yeah. All my losses made me shabby.
Cosa tu fai? Bella. Ah, come remessa, ma se c'hai detto io, ma che cazzo sono fatto che è un vendino? abbiamo capito. Mamma mia.
Un po' quello.
Puttana. Non sapere aumentare.
Alfredo. Maria, questo è un altro co squadrone, cerca Maria Chiave, LeBron James, Anthony Davis, Paul George, Spud Webb. Mamma mia.
Liguonia. Beh, lo squadrone.
Squadrone Geffredo, Cristiano.
Thompson surveying the floor.
Che cazzo fa? Ma sei uno scimoniti di guerra proprio.
Ha perso.
And for
Cioè,
everything
toccare
that
il
Anthony
forte,
Davis does on the
però
floor,
Buona.
you can't forget about his defense. Still an elite
tanto
level
forte
defender.
lì.
Guards
Bene,
multiple
mi dico,
positions.
fatto
Ah,
che
come
a
dammo,
number
compare.
of shots.
l'ha tagliata.
Kagawa.
Proprio a
Down to 5 on
cagare.
the shot clock. Here's Shaq. Shooting
Ma
foul
non c'è fatto le
as the
palle,
whistle
stanno un
blows. He'll
bicchiere
shoot two free
lì,
throws. And Davis gets a lot of blocks without getting in foul trouble. About a 1-to-1 ratio for him in his career.
Incredible. He's done a
sta
great
l'uno,
job of learning how to go straight
Ah,
up,
porco.
playing vertical. Gets blocks, but doesn't get pulled out of position. Does
Ad
everything you want from a defensive anchor.
Uè, ad arbitrio.
Houston moving it around. Here's
No.
Webb.
E fuori.
And so the ball out of bounds.
Vai,
Bogut
nostra,
touched it
nostra.
last.
Listen, turnovers happen. You've got to move on to the next play.
Here's Curry. James outside.
Ha fatto l'arbitrio.
Oh, c'è un io, faccio porchi carino.
Here in the first, a little over a minute played so far.
No, che da sopra. Porco
And
dio.
George with the stuff.
Well, an aggressive player
va
at the
bene,
rim.
va,
Paul
oh,
George has the
signori,
kind of
una buona
athleticism
notte.
to make a defense look silly.
Si sta a corcare. Ah, va.
And stolen by LeBron.
Ah, stop, però. Ma di stoppato Nila Web.
Floats it up.
Oh, ma. Zion Williamson.
Alley-oop
Io
jam.
guardo ci c'era.
And yeah, he's 280 pounds. We've never seen anyone hang in the air
Anzi,
like this
prima
young
fare una
man.
cosa.
Williamson is special.
Per dire il nuovo passo.
Now here's James. Pass to Webb. Outside, George.
Bellissima Zion, bravissimo.
Here's Thompson. Defended by
Williamson. Bellissimo.
Williamson. And the dunk by Williamson.
That's just a terrific pass from Klay Thompson. My
Ha
goodness.
stoppato,
Sees
porchi
his man, has
carino.
the angle on the interior
Perché
and
Luca ha la
drops a
maglietta
dime
blu, sì.
right there.
Cosa?
Medder 21.
Now
E
here's
ti
Curry.
devo frenato perché non vedete
Down low.
i
And
Baltimore.
James throws it down.
E
If you
Baccanias.
ever notice Stephen Curry's vision, his eyes are always looking for opportunities to find his teammates.
Pass to George.
Ciao,
Oh, here's
siamo
Bogut.
a sta
No,
cosa,
tutto solo che stai qua. No, che balzo, che cosa.
Out to the right wing.
Non c'è, non c'è, non c'è.
Webb. The three-pointer, no good.
And he didn't punish them for the weak coverage there, but they can't.
Bellissimo! Oh! Te la mette Thompson. Da 3, proprio così.
Vorremmo
Klay
un
Thompson,
tono,
the
ah.
catch and shoot was released too quick.
Se te la mette Thompson,
And
vai.
as it goes out of bounds, he's been able to keep the ball here.
E mi faccia che tutta la panchina. Ma è scemo questo. Ma perché mi faccia che tutta la panchina?
Absolutely appreciate the
Faccio un minuto di
effort, though.
partita.
He really
Porco
went
Dio.
out. Look out below.
Che mongoloid.
44 e 56. 44 e sto qua.
Facciamo riposare, vabbè.
Oh my goodness. AD wanted them to feel that one. Davis boosts his whole team with that explosiveness.
And there's a minute 45 left here in the opening quarter.
Va bene, ma signori.
Pass to Landry.
Una
Una
buona
buona
notte.
Vucevic.
notte.
Here's Cook.
Ciao, buonanotte.
Quasi la mette, quasi la mette. Ciao Marco, buonanotte.
To the paint. And he could not get that one to go. A lot of contact, and he'll go to the line for two.
How about the size of Bogut, right? This is just a massive man making a difference inside, and he will now head to the free throw line.
And Bogut drops them both. 1:29 left to play in the first quarter. And here's Beverly. Pass to Vucevic.
Ma gli
Oh,
di
he
stoppata che ha
plucked the defense
scioppato.
off the backboard. And it's Houston on the break.
Ah,
And contact on the shot, so he'll be shooting free throws here.
It just seems like LeBron James doesn't age. Still so dominant in the second half of his career. This guy is incredible in virtually every statistical category.
Pass to Beverly. Back to Cook.
ah,
There's 53
va.
seconds left in the first. Here's Davis.
Vediamo la partita.
It's James picking up the assist. Davis has got 7 points in the game.
Those are the instincts of LeBron James that we're witnessing. Just terrific at sensing when the defense has left one of his guys open.
Ah, vaffanculo, va, porco
And oh, here we go with George. Nobody back.
pezzi di merda,
You
dai.
have got to be kidding.
Hey, talk about taking things into your own hands.
Vabbè, va, una minchiata dopo l'altra.
5-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Houston moving it around. Pass to Davis.
Raga,
Vucevic with the block.
Well, the reach, the timing, Vucevic using all of that 7'4" wingspan to turn
non c'è, non
that
c'è,
shot
non c'è, non
away.
c'è.
Webb can't hit.
The defense there got away with a major lapse.
Back to
Ah,
Jones.
porca puttana, ma come non
Paul
sa
George with
mettere
the
una
steal.
palla in della mano, è
And that
incredibile.
concludes the first quarter of play. Houston on top as they end the first. And hope you've enjoyed the broadcast so far. Halfway through the first half in this one. And looking at what we've seen from Houston, what do you guys think?
Well, credit their anticipation skills on the defensive end. They forced a number of turnovers.
And a few of those led to quick scores at the other end. Really active first quarter for them.
Ancora.
Houston leading by 5.
Ancora con la panchina sono quelli.
Jordan with it. Now guarded by Vucevic. Back to Bogut. And that one falls coming off of Davis's feed. Bogut's got the opening field goal of the second quarter for Houston. And Jones has it in the corner. And slam dunk by Vucevic.
Vucevic knows who he is. This guy is a close scorer, legit threat to finish it with authority.
And although the passes aren't flashy by any means, Nikola Vucevic, a very effective playmaker at the pivot.
And Vucevic is very calm when pressed. Reads the defense well and makes the simple but impactful pass. Great in dribble handoffs. It's a big reason he averages almost 4 assists a game.
Well, how about the effort by Bogut, right? Just puts his head down, giving it everything he has in transition.
Outside Curry. Pass to Shaq. And foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance at the line.
And you don't ever want to get into the habit of letting the offense get to the rim.
And this is his second trip to the line tonight. And he's good on the second. Second quarter, and we're just over a minute in. Brunson scanning the floor. Back to Jordan. Shot clock at 5.
No, vi fregar.
Wiseman with the bucket.
Vi fregar.
Yeah, and this is what happens when you have a scorer like Jordan on the floor. He attracts all that attention defensively, leaving guys wide open.
And the basket by Curry.
Well, there's an unpredictability to his offensive game. He is always keeping the defense off balance.
Here's Wade. Zion Williamson grabs the miss. Thompson outside. Pass to Williamson. That's good, and he's now 3 for 4 from the field.
Well, that's just the pure strength and explosiveness of Williamson.
Right.
Easily finishes there through the contact.
Here's Curry. That's in, coming off the assist from Thompson. And now just a 2-point Houston lead.
Just great anticipation and awareness to come up with the steal and then trigger the fast break.
Okay.
And there's the call on Klay Thompson. That's his first foul. Here's Jordan. Still looking for his first bucket in this one. Pass to Bertans. And stolen by Williamson.
And if you really want to make things hard on yourselves, this is exactly how you do it. Turnovers on back-to-back trips down the floor. And not hard to see why they are giving up points on this run. Just too many good looks from in close.
It's deflected. Curry with the steal. The drive by Thompson. No one near Williamson.
Lo mette Williamson. Letteralmente Williamson.
A three-pointer is right on target.
Yeah, and they're starting to warm up from the field this quarter.
And Houston calls their first time out of the game.
And looking at Curry's stats, one thing that jumps out, and it may be a little surprising, for the last 3 seasons, he's averaged over 5 rebounds a game.
3 minutes of action so far in the second quarter. Now Webb. Pass to LeBron. Shot to stop the run. 5 on the clock. Here's Davis. And Shaquille O'Neal pulls it down. And those rebounding numbers, GA, just speak to Curry's overall impact.
And when you look at Steph's size and the amount of time he spends on the perimeter, there's no way he should be cleaning the glass like that. But you can't teach heart and you can't teach instinct, and he has both. Quick job of getting up the floor and creating early offense.
You don't give the defense any chance to set up. Sometimes you just love an easy
Toma, Caruso.
And it's Williamson missing. They push it up 4 on 3. Guys back and forth this first half.
And this could continue to go back and forth the entire way.
And timeout call by Ryan Saunders. .105 left to play here in the half.
Fanno tutta la panchina per fece Tracy. Vabbè, sta allenatore è scemo, eh.
Williamson with it. 9
Asti.
points in the game so far.
That's just phenomenal defense. The defense feels like it's all over the
Ma
place.
vai
and
che
knows
fai?
exactly how
La
to
c'ha la fece pigliare, incredibile.
Nice passing there by
Incredibile.
Houston. Clock at 6.
Giannè.
Here's Pertinis. Great D that time from Vucevic.
You will have to finish harder than that if you want to
Bellissimo.
convert traffic. This guy is cooking right now. He is leading them on the offensive end as they remain in front here.
8-second difference.
Ah
between the
va,
shot
no,
clock and the
no,
game
così però, porco Dio.
Just focusing on the task at hand. That's all you can do.
Boy, the tide is running one way and then shifts back in the other direction. I've lost count of how many lead changes we've had here tonight.
In the corner, Cook with it. Pass to Williamson. Over Berton. And it's Williamson missing. Now, here is Webb. Kicks it out to
Non c'è,
LeBron.
non c'è.
And some good action through the first 2 quarters as we reach halftime. Houston on top. They're up by 1. Time now for the halftime break, with the third quarter soon to follow, right here on 2K Sports. And into this third quarter, as we've seen so far, neither team able to create much separation on the scoreboard yet. Houston in the lead. Pass to Webb. Bogut with it. Inside.
Buono.
And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up. It's going to be on Zion Williamson.
That's just forcing the issue, right? Bogut gets that defender to overcommit.
Wow, what, did he have something in his eye on that shot?
Maybe. Curry is inside. Here's Williamson.
Ah va, dai, Andrew, facile questo. Williamson, porca
Has been very
puttana.
close in a lot of areas, but rebounding has been the one differentiator thus far.
Here's
Devo
Webb.
fare...
And there's the slam dunk to
Lo fa
finish it off.
scappare avanza clutch, lo fa
Just the
scappare.
kind of play they need in a game this close.
You know, that's the kind of aggression they want from their floor leader.
Boy, and not just the aggression, the ability to get to the rim, but how about the finish with intention? Oh. Well, being aggressive and assertive, the big man snatching the rebound.
Ah,
Wade
solo.
has the open look. Houston now working
va,
with the new
così.
shot clock.
La Cambalzo nudo, la Cambalzo
Three-pointer.
nudo.
Webb
Vergognoso.
can't hit.
I'll tell you, it has not been this guy's best night, but the teammates
Hey.
have been there to pick up the slack. Love it.
And this isn't going to stop Williamson. He's just too big, too strong, too quick.
Greg, last
Ninja,
year,
ninja,
Williamson
ninja,
entered the NBA as one of the most well-known rookies since LeBron James.
Already had millions of followers on social media, global name recognition. He has an above-the-rim game that produces the kinds of highlights that people want to see.
Just it's easy to say, this guy wanted it more, creating the second chance opportunity and cashing in.
LeBron outside. Pass to Webb.
No, che deve fare blocco, vai.
Missed by Houston.
Only 20% shooting in this quarter. They need to
Oh,
settle down
se
and relax
stasera
a little
bello.
bit here.
Stasera è bello. Così giusto.
Here's LeBron. Now, here's Bertans. Covered by Williamson. And it's Wade in the corner. LeBron outside. O'Neal comes with the double team. It's stolen by Curry. For the lead. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul.
No question, he got bumped on that shot.
And this is his 3rd trip to the line tonight. Houston making a switch here. So neither attempt will fall that time for him. And it's Houston on the break. And he gets the bucket. James has got 6.
Well, the basketball mind that Dwayne Wade possesses is so special. What understanding and feel for where his guys will be.
To the middle.
Ragazzi, la buona, un
And now, here's Davis, the fast break opportunity. The rebound by Cook. Here's a chance for them to retake the lead.
And they have done well to stick around these last few minutes.
It's stolen by Davis. And it's Houston on the break. That shot, no good. Shaq with some nice D. And they're on the break. Jones. Here's Houston now. Just 4 points. That's all they've given up here in the second half. They get it back. Pass to Davis.
O'Neal quando si fa rubare sto Cambarzi, O'Neal lo fa sedare.
9 points in the game so
Lo
far.
fa sedare.
You enjoyed that court vision, didn't you? Bo get a great feel for the game, quickly locates the open man.
And timeout call by Ryan Saunders. In the 3rd quarter with just over 3.5 minutes off the clock. Pass to Shaq. Releases. And the bank shot is good.
And O'Neal, just a brute on the block, simply overpowers the opposition.
And it's Houston's ball. The lead is 2. Here's George. Out to Wade. Right side Davis. 5 to shoot. And Shaq pulls it down.
Boy, a really tough quarter for this guy. Just struggling to make shots right now.
And foul on the shot. He'll shoot 2 at the free throw line. That one on Davis. This will make 4 trips to the line so far in the game. Houston making a switch here. O'Neal hits them both.
And he has been battling some serious demons at the line tonight. Good to see him finally come through on that trip.
Here's Webb.
Ha stoppato, Caruso, ha stoppato. Ma dai, ma state dicendo davvero? Che è incredibile.
And maybe just what they need to get this game, GA, going in their direction.
Boy, as tight as this one is, that's a statement play saying, hey, listen, we're not here to back down from you guys.
Shot clock and game clock separated by less than 6 seconds. Here's Curry. Pass to Shaq. On the wing, Jones. Trying to find Shaq. He's got it now. And that comes off the assist by Jones.
Giocava a squadra sulle spalle Shaq.
And it takes a lot to knock
Tiamo giusto. Ok.
That's the end of the third, and
Pare, tutto l'ultimo quarto si gioca
right
male.
to get the 4th quarter underway. And it's been a very competitive game so far as we get rolling here in quarter number 4.
Sostituzione, mi scordai. Titolare.
And here is Curry to take the lead, and he sinks the layup.
There's a certain resiliency to this team, and you're starting to see it.
No doubt, keeping it very close. Going to have to step up even more to get over the hump here.
And all Davis needs is the right positioning. Once he's established, dunking becomes easy.
To the inside. Here's Shaq.
Ah, ma come tu mucchi.
And so it's Brunson with it. He brings
Ma
it
sei
up.
serio? Ma dai, ma vaffanculo.
The shot that sends
Ah.
it into the line.
We see Paul George just understands how to use his length and his size. He is such a tough cover close to the basket.
First free throw is good. And Paul George, Doris, kind of a late bloomer coming up in high school. His older sister used to give him the business on the blacktop. Of course, eventually he found his stride, and the rest is history.
It took some encouraging from older sis and his high school coach, who actually had to threaten him with running suicides to get the guy
Dai,
to
porco
shoot more.
Dio.
And think
Non
about
sapevi
it,
una
this guy
pass- oh,
plays
mamma, non
college
muore.
basketball at mid-major Fresno
Sapevi
State.
una passare
That's
cazzo di
really
palla.
where he got onto the NBA
Vai
radar.
Zion, tu fai. Tu facisti già.
Here's Williamson.
Schiaccia ci andava. C'è sto coglione.
Dunk
Yeah,
by
just-
Williamson.
And the defense learned a valuable lesson there. Don't let Williamson get to that launching pad around the rim.
Now a timeout called by Houston. Zion Williamson with a strong contribution so far, guys, in this one.
Absolutely on fire. They need to regroup and figure out a way to slow his roll.
And let's catch up with our sideline reporter, David Aldridge.
Well, over the break, I listened in on Ryan Saunders' huddle. This game is obviously close, could go either way, and he wanted to make sure that his guys were all on the same
Porco
page
Dio,
and
Shaquille.
were all staying with the game plan in order to close this one out. Kevin?
Takes the hit, completes the play. Bogut showing excellent body control.
Curry with it. Bogut
Ci
picks it up.
andava, ci schiacciaci. Non scandai.
And they're beginning to just flat out fall apart defensively right now, especially on the interior.
Pass to Bogut.
Ha creato un mismatch. Ha creato un mismatch. Ha creato.
Whiteside Davis.
Non c'è.
Outside for George. And some nice passing there by Houston. Shot clock at 6. Here's Davis.
Non c'è.
Bogut trying to get open. Good D by Williamson. These guys have had some good motion on offense.
Come cazzo ha fatto allora?
Assistant.
And when everyone's involved offensively, it has a way of helping you on the defensive side
Ha
as well.
fatto qualche trucchetto per creare questo mismatch.
Here's George.
Non so come ha
Oh
fatto.
boy, a lot of contact there.
Ha
but he
fatto
gets the call.
sto
He will shoot
trucchetto.
two. It's going to be on Zion Williamson.
Well, I don't know that when he was selected 10th.
George da Thompson. Ok. Cazzo gli ha messa sta cosa qua? Auto, non c'è auto. Cazzo. Ok.
Overall back in 2010, that the casual fan understood that Paul George would become one of the most effective two-way players in the NBA, but he's done just that.
And at the line, it's all about consistency with him. His routine, his stroke, it never wavers.
Tutti stanchi, ma da giocare. Da giocare, ragazzi. Come noi.
Fourth quarter of play, and we're about 2.5 minutes through it right now. And Curry, here we go. Here's Shaq.
It was shock.
Good, and Curry gets the assist. Shaq's got 10 points here in the second half.
And that's about the worst defense I can
Ah.
imagine a team playing
Porca di
coming down the stretch.
Dio.
You know, we talk about execution offensively.
Ah, io
coming down
amo,
the
che
stretch.
scusa,
To
che
me,
cosa.
it's as important defensively, and they didn't have it.
No one near Curry as he lets it go. And it's off from
Poi
three-point
entri
range.
che Curry. Un
Pass to
muccao.
Bogut.
Vabbè. Raga, non
And
c'è.
it's LeBron James with the rebound.
No!
It's tipped. And here's the fast break.
Raga, se ne vai.
Here's Thompson.
Se ne va
Here's
Thompson.
with the jam.
Klay Thompson, calm and cool under pressure. How about the big bucket from Klay?
Raga, buona, giochiamo.
And here we go. Fast break. LeBron's got it.
No, perché, raga.
And it's Houston.
Erano con punto
on the
bene
break.
per vincere la
Wizards got the ball.
partita. A più
And
4
there's the
io.
call on
Che faccio ste
Zion
minchiate,
Williamson.
porco dio.
That's his third foul of the game.
Ste minchiate faccio.
Man, it's close, but you know, didn't get
Sono
on
lì.
balance quick enough.
Non no, fatichi sta maniera. So cazzinano.
Right in his wheelhouse, looking to make an impact.
Cazzinano.
This is a player who understands when the game is hanging in the balance. He knows it's winning time. Big sequence there, guys. Curry takes it upon himself to
No,
take
no.
and make the big bucket.
Non... No, poi che non gioca nessuno. Poi che non gioca nessuno. Poi che non gioca nessuno, porco
Big
dio.
hops from the backcourt.
Oh, absolutely.
Poi che non gioca
And
nulla,
maybe
sti
just
pezzi
what
nani
they
in
need to
merda.
get this game, GA, going in their direction.
Boy, as tight as this one is, that's a statement play saying, hey, listen, we're
Ciao.
not here.
Hammer it home! Hammer it home, baby!
That is authority right there.
La giocatura non stanchi di più.
Money!
So much riding on that shot. What a bucket.
I'll tell you, that changes things, doesn't it? Good job, young fella. What a game.
Curry is inside.
Un muccaroni. Vai Zion.
Williamson. It's rebounded by Houston.
No, partita
And it's
persa.
Houston on the break.
Partita persa.
George has got the ball. Yes!
Paul George
A casa stavamo
loves
vincendo.
delivering
A
when the
casa
game
persa.
is
E
on
vabbè.
the line at his absolute best.
Thompson outside.
Ha
There's
perso.
a
Basta.
4-second difference from the
Questa
shot
palla
clock to the game
persa.
clock.
Abbiamo finito.
LeBron outside. LeBron with the ball.
Stoppata. Nostra.
Tracking that
Potevo
shot
pareggiare.
the whole way. No chance LeBron was letting that get to the rim.
And timeout call by Ryan Saunders. What do you think, guys?
And they've got plenty of time to get a basket.
Well, they've got to be aggressive, guys,
Cioè,
because the
tutti
defense
stanchi.
doesn't want to foul here.
Da giocare, che questo non posso fare niente.
Outside Curry.
Vai!
Down low.
Sì! Ora ci sono l'ultimo vuoto ci
Look
sono.
at this young man come through in the clutch. Zion appearing more than ready
No!
to deliver.
Nessuno a centro!
Money!
And guys,
Le
he's
fece
not,
foot.
and taking
Le
the
fece
technical
foot.
there is the last thing you want to do.
Vabbè,
The
mi fece
opposite
foot.
of
Jordan,
smart basketball.
Perché Jordan? Cioè, perché?
Good, Jordan.
A bit of heroics at the line right there as he
Ma
bumps
perché?
the lead to 3 and makes things a little easier for them defensively.
And so it's a narrow
Ma perché
victory
mi ha dato
for Houston,
fallo alla
going
fine
out
che
to
ci hanno
the
dato time out,
This
scusa?
win, such a tremendous emotional boost for him.
Really an accomplishment. And
Fottuto una
crazy
partita, che sto, va
to
bene.
take a road game like this and simply
Porco
deflate
Dio.
and
Ma perché mi ha dato fallo all'ultimo, Dio cane? Non hai capito, bastardo, signore. Non hai capito.
entire building.
Thank you for joining us. That'll do it for now. For Greg Anthony, Doris Burke, and David Aldridge. This is Carl
Cioè,
Allen,
2 secondi e 3,
along
mi
with
hai chiamato,
TK Sports
ho
Group.
chiamato il time
Thanking
out,
you for tuning in.
ho chiamato boh, per giocarmi l'ultima azione. Perché mi ha dato fallo tecnico che sparta palla ridde? Ma non lo so, non lo so, non lo so, porco dio, non lo so. Un bel dio porco, così. Bellissimo proprio, dio bastardissimo, porchi in merda. Sì, sì. Che posso già essere. Gattone Shaquille. Wow. Quanto cazzo costa? Ah, per tutti i giocatori, no, no. Boom. E quali sono le condizioni? Scusa. Vabbè, andiamo a corcare, va.
Hey. Hey. We rise. When I come through Beamer, ain't no X. When I come through Porsche, ain't no box. If I come through range, ain't no sport. Nah.
Ma pezzi tanto ma la facessi a passaggio, cioè sai, ieri ci mi ricordo, poi sai. Se ci mi compare tutto. C'è turbo, sciano. Che ho col costo. Sì, addirittura manco si è collegato. Sciano. C'è già stato proprio, ma che online. All my going for it, yelling same team. How you mean? Thought you knew about the team. All my going for it, yelling same team. How you mean? Thought you knew about the team. All my going for it, yelling same team. How you mean? Thought you knew about the team. All my going for it, yelling same team. How you mean? What you know about the team? She like pull up with, let it. I put up with, and I put up with, and I hate when rappers repeat last line that they said. On the low like ground ball, hustle like loose ball. Skinny, bankroll bigger than all y'all. Skinny, had to flex up on all y'all. I was a team sport, now it's ISO ball. Went solo on that, but it's still the same. No, I never chase fame, it's a 2-for-1 thing. Everybody think they know me, don't know my middle name. Everybody yelling. Everything I bring to the game, questa volta lo facciamo. Cosa dire? Stacchiamo qua, va.